information.
You gotta watch the video too.
Nate, am I recording you? Recording me?
You watch the.
This is like this helps vlog from the work in real life, guys.
Movies are like minutes long.
Ooh, when did that come out?
Yeah, that's good.
Alright, guys.
Our newest short film. No, it's the premiere's on Monday.
So this is part of the BTS.
No, Miles is shooting the BTS. I'm shooting a vlog.
This is Nate on the street.
Nah.
I mean,
Wait.
Streets kill men.
I ran the streets since I was young.
Streets kill me.
What's our, Nate,
I'll report.
Nate, what's our mission?
We're gonna put a piece of paper on Clever's forehead for the sake.
No, record, because we can't miss this.
I'm recording right now. Getting that tape ready?
Look how steady this camera. We need a...
Getting that tape ready?
There's no shaking.
Let's just go.
Wait.
No, you have the tape. I literally said, next you have the tape in your hand.
What are we putting on my...
Just get the tape! Dude!
Duct tape on his
It's not...
Oh my god!
Okay, get the shot.
Solo Iono. Be there, be square. World premiere on Monday. That's all.
Let me see what this is.
Because I
The
said...
tape was in
I
your
said,
hand the entire
get the
time.
tape. I said, have the tape ready. So
And it's
we
in
go
your hand.
I can go like this.
If
I
it's,
can
so
go like
if I
that.
never had the
No,
tape,
no,
how would I have had
no.
the tape ready? If I never had the tape, how would
Go
I have
ahead.
the tape ready? So
Yeah,
look,
look.
it's on you. It's on you. If you start crying, I'm gonna yell at you more. Okay? Oh, buddy. Oh, but don't. Well.
Oh!
Then you're in the right place.
This is it, guys. This is it.
This is insane. This is my stress relief. Chicken and the biscuit?
Miles is working on number 3. Everyone, Miles up there. Wake up, everybody, Miles. Woo! If you follow us on social media, you'll see episode 3 coming tomorrow. We don't make posters, just do everything real big. And I'm proud of them and how they focused up on this video and how it's come to life. If I can get my crew to stand up really quick.
Some good ones here, so what kind of rooms do you guys got?
That's so nice.
Don't get too excited now, you're gonna get your hair. Or, as the kids like, ooh. It's the game. Something moved.
What'd you think?
It was crazy. That was so good. I wasn't expecting it. It was just changes in the
That was really good. That was really entertaining.
Top tier. Definitely had some twists that I was not expecting. 10 out of 10 recommend.
It was top notch, I really don't have anything else to say. It was just so good.
Oh, yeah?
10 out of 10. Watch it.
Ellie?
So good. It was great. Amazing.
Watch out, there's a door.